Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making inside out buffalo chicken. Here's the chicken. This is going to be a whole chicken, and we're going to put crystal inside it. See, it's already in its nice little glass, and we're going to be using a needle to plunge into the skin and put the crystal directly inside, and then we're going to rub it with a combination of cayenne pepper and Penzeys chipotle, and of course a lot of butter. We're going to spatchcock this chicken first. Okay, you can see she's been spatchcocked, which means I took the backbone out, and she's flatter so she will cook more evenly. I'm going to take the crystal and this is my needle, and I'm going to put some crystal in here. There we go. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to inject. I'm going to start injecting at the breast. Goes directly into the muscle. Into the thighs. Legs. Yep. More crystal. Now that I did that, I'm going to rub her with butter. Get the butter all over her. I recommend not using salted butter for this because the crystal itself is already salty and you don't want too much salt. Okay, and there we go. And the brinish seasoning that I made also has salt in it, so again, you don't want to put any more salt in there. And this is a seasoning. This is cayenne and chipotle and salt. I'm going to take that, rub that on there. Oh yes. And all over, make sure it's all over, and especially on the wings, you know, because they're buffalo-ish wings. Okay, and she's ready to go. We're going to put her in a 350 oven until she reaches 165 degrees. That would be 76 degrees C. And that should take about 30 or 40 minutes. Again, make sure that you use an instant read thermometer. It's a good example. I'll show you how you do that. See, it comes on right like that. And you stick it into the thickest part of the meat, which would be the thigh. And then you can find out exactly what the internal temperature is. And we'll be back when she's cooked. And we're back. And look at our girl. She's just wonderful. She's perfectly cooked. She's at 165 degrees. Let's test it and make sure. She's at 169. She's at 170. So she's going to sit for a little while and rest as she should. And then we're going to carve her, and you'll see that later. I can't wait to bite into this drumette and flat with some of our homemade blue cheese dressing. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. Thanks for watching, and remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!